Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an apple pie. We will start by gathering all our ingredients and tools. Then, we'll prepare a perfect pie crust, which is the foundation of any great pie. Next, we'll craft a flavorful apple filling using a mix of apples and spices. Finally, I'll guide you through assembling and baking your delicious homemade apple pie to golden perfection. A fantastic pie starts with a flaky crust. For a 9-inch pie, you'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Cut 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter into small pieces and work it into the flour. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of ice water until the dough just comes together. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender crust. Now for the heart of our pie, the filling. Choose 6 to 8 medium apples, like Granny Smith for tartness and Honeycrisp for sweetness. Peel, core, and slice them into uniform 1/4 inch pieces. In a large bowl, combine the apples with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Stir in 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice for brightness. It's time to bring it all together. Roll out 1 chilled pie crust and carefully place it into your 9-inch pie plate. Pour the delicious apple filling evenly over the bottom crust. Then, top with your second crust, crimping the edges firmly to seal. Bake your pie at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 375 degrees for an additional 45 minutes until golden brown.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.